Welcome to NHTI. We are excited to have you join us today for our virtual open house. NHTI offers students a well-rounded student experience. From our 30-plus student organizations to our varsity athletic programs, NHTI students have the opportunity to immerse themselves in the community. We also offer resident halls for our students who would like to live on campus. We are excited to announce that beginning fall 2020, we will be offering a 12-month housing option for students who would like to live on campus year-round. NHTI also offers health services to our students at minimal or no cost, as well as free and confidential mental health counseling. NHTI is more than your typical community college. We are a community and a home. Come see why you belong here.